Hello everyone, today we are going to create a 3D model exercise number 13 with AutoCAD software. Okay, first in here you can use top view and I will create a circle. Start from this point, we can set radius into 30. Next I will use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. You also can create a circle again. At this point we can set radius into 20. Now in here I will create circle. You can sort at center point and move to the right here. We can set into 60. We can set in here radius into 15. Next I will create circle with radius 25. And the last with radius 10. Okay. You can create lines start from these points and you can move to these points. I will use a mirror command to mirror this line object from center point to drag there. Now you can use a trim command to cut this line objects and also add this circle object. Okay. The next I will press F7 to hide cut and you can press circles. You can sort at center point and move to the left here. We can set into 70. I will set for radius into 20. Next we can set the radius into 15. And last we set into 10 for radius. You can create lines. You can press shift button, hold, right click and choose tangent. Click at this point. Okay, we use tangent again and click at this circle. The next you can press enter to close this line command. We can use a mirror command to mirror this line object. Start from this point, move to the right here. And now in here I will trim this circle object and we can create line. Start from this point to here. And then you can move this line object to the top. I will set into 5. Now we can use a mirror command to mirror this line object. Start from center point to drag here and you can press enter. Use a trim command again to cut these line objects and also we cut at this point. Okay. Now you can orbit this sketch and to convert into 3D models I will use a press pull command. You can tap press pull, press enter, you can select at this face, you can move to the top and you can set for extrusion into 35. You can change into set with edge, so it will be shown in solid objects. The next I will extrude again. Sorry, we can use a press pull to press pull at this face. Okay, you can move to the top. You can set into 18. The next at this object to the top, you can set into 15. Okay, now you can use a union command to combine between these three objects. You can press enter so it will be combined. In here you can use press pull again. Okay, I will press pull at this face. We can set extrusion into 20. And now we can press pull at this face to the top and we can set into 15. You can combine union command to combine between these two objects. Enter again. Next I will use fillet command with radius 2. Okay, I will fillet at this edge. Use loop tools and click at this point. Click next. You can press enter to accept. You also can orbit. We can rotate this object. You can tap rotate. Select this object. You can set into center point and I will rotate into 45 degree. You can press enter. The next we can move this object to the top about 15 and you can press enter again. Okay, now we can use a union command to combine between these all objects. I will delete this 2D sketch. You can select and press delete button. Now I will use fillet command with radius 2. You can fillet at this edge in here and at this point. Next I will fillet at this point. You can use a loop tool, click in here and then click next. Okay, we fillet again in the bottom here with the loop tools. next we can look from these points. Next, we can press enter to apply. So it will be quite a fillet. And in the bottom here, we can fillet with loop tools. Next, press enter, and we can fillet in this circle. The next, we can fillet in here with loop tools. Okay, and the last at this circle. Okay. Now we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 13 with AutoCAD software. We can also use fillet command to fillet at this circle, and then we are already done. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.